Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here and you find my content valuable, please don't forget to subscribe. You can also click the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. So on today's video or on today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you can be able to create multiple YouTube channels under one email account, okay, or under one Gmail account. So what you're going to do, you're just going to sign into your YouTube account. Yes, so I'm already signed in. And then you're going to click on this profile here. This is my profile. And once you click the profile, you're just going to click on this first option here. I'm going to click on your channel. Then once you are on your channel, you can click here on settings. Once you're on this page, you will come to we have the first option, channel status and features, and then the second option, which is add or manage YouTube channels. So you're going to click here. So once you click, once you're done, it's gonna bring you to another new page where this first option is there. You're being told here to create a channel. So you can see this is my email address, this is my Gmail account, and I already have two channels under that same Gmail account. So what you're going to do, you're just going to click on create a channel. And once you click on create a channel, you can just give your channel any name. So let us say I want to give it Bells Tutorials. Then here, create your channel name. Yeah, this is my channel name. And then you can use your brand's name or another name. A good channel name represents you and your content. So if you do tutorials or if you any content that you're doing, you can just change your channel name anytime. So that is the good advantage. Any other time you can just change the tutorial the name of the channel, that is. So maybe if I do have a different content, later on I can just change that name. And then here you're being told, I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. So once you click on that, you're just going to click on create. Okay. So right here, we do have the account. Yeah, so this is how you add another channel to an already existing Google account or your Gmail account. Yes, so you see here, I do have hands on how to, which has 8 subscribers, and then this is another one. And then the one that I just created is right here. You can see it has no subscribers. So so for example, the reason why adding a new channel is important is because sometimes you can have different types of content that you want to share with your viewers, but the moment you mix those content, your viewers will get lost. For example, if you're talking about food and people are enjoying your content, then in the middle of nowhere, start posting content of traveling, or travel vlogs. So your viewers are going to get confused, and most of them will just opt out. Okay, some of them may even decide to unsubscribe to your YouTube channel, because the reason why someone subscribed to your YouTube channel was because they enjoyed the content that you are giving them. But the moment you just start posting other different things, they're just not going to be interested. Okay, for example, if someone had subscribed to your channel because they want to learn how to do their makeups, and tomorrow they come back expecting a video of the same, and they just find tutorials of you cooking or you just talking about other things, so that way someone may just lose interest. So that is why it is important that you do have, you can have just multiple channels under one. You can have multiple channels under one Gmail account. Okay, like so you see this one, the one that this is a channel that I just created. So maybe if I have like different content, maybe I want to talk about how to make money online. So on my videos, I do talk about how to upload a video, how to use a certain software to solve a certain problem. Okay, so if you subscribe to my channel, that is the content you expect me to be uploading. But then again, you come back tomorrow and you find I'm now talking about how to make money online. So if I had to talk about how to make money online and give reviews on different applications or different websites, I can just add this channel so I can just customize this channel, the new channel that I've just added to my existing Gmail account. Yes, so you can see here, it's even telling me to continue. So here, I'm just going to add a basic information. Yeah, so I can later on, YouTube gives you the ability to be able to change the name. So now maybe I can change the channel name on maybe online. Maybe I can have a name like this is just an example, guys. So the online cashway. Yeah, so something like that. It doesn't have to, if I was creating maybe something that I want to work on, then I will go for a very good name. And then your handle. Nowadays YouTube as a handle. So here you can see at Bell's Tutorials and that one. So they'll just give me that handle. Just copy paste that and put it here. Okay, so that way. And then description. Now here you're telling people, so here you're telling people what your YouTube account is all about. You're telling you just, it's a very small like one paragraph. Okay, you're just telling people what the channel is all about. So if I'll be talking about how to make money online, I need to put a description here. Okay, so that is how you just add a new channel. It is that simple. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. If you have not subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button, the notification bell, so that if I post a new video, you'll be the first one to be able to know. And see you in my next video. Bye.